we've got a very nice trio made by Salisbury China brand during the late 1950s. The actual source marks are a little earlier, possibly 1940s, but the teacup's 1950s to 1960s in its China marking. A very beautiful little floral design, often referred to as floral chintz. Wasn't an official name used by Salisbury. This pattern was actually, you can, if you do an image search on this, was made in a variety of different China brands, Regency being one and Crown Staffordshire being another, but this is the Salisbury version of it. A D-shaped waisted teacup, as you can see, so you've got this mid sort of nip in the mid section of the teacup, pedestal footed, quite a deep pedestal. On some versions made by Salisbury this was completely gilded, but on this particular set and version on this pattern reference, which is 3445, you will see very similar designs numbered between 3440 and 3550. They changed the shape, the design, the degree of gilding between those different designs, but used the same transfer pattern. So a beautiful pink, yellow and blue floral motif in a sort of net design, really. When you have a look at the saucer, it's sort of a flowing, repeating pattern with those floral elements in it. On this very nice little well-molded teacup, scroll handle, with a little rat tail on the base, just a little bit of wear here. As you can see, these aren't in absolute what we'd call cabinet condition, they're in very fine used vintage, but a little bit of wear on the handle where that's just been held like that over the decades that it's been used. Inner rim, very, very nice, plain rim around the teacup, maybe just a slight impression of indents in that rim. It's not absolutely flat, what we'd call an absolute plain rim, so a few indents in it and an inner line of gilt decoration on there. There's the Salisbury China marks. Sorry, I've got this the wrong way around. The cups are slightly later. These are 1959, 1961, 3445 on the number. Compare that to the little round saucer, just under 5.5 inches, with the slightly earlier China marks, 1940s to 1950s Salisbury China marks on here. No pattern reference on here, you'll note. And same on the side plate. Really beautifully decorated with that floral chintz design all the way around on a rolling scallop rim, and again with slightly later Salisbury almost cup marks. That's what's usually referred to as a Salisbury cup marks. It looks like it's two handles and a cup, but with a crown in the middle, bone china England. So very pretty trios in good used vintage condition. Very, very beautiful. They display absolutely wonderfully. And that chintzy design, I'm sure, is going to be very popular with collectors of teacup trios. We've got 4, 5, possibly 6. We haven't gone through them all entirely yet, but we're about to. So we will list the current volume available on the website listing. And if you'd like to find out more pricing, availability, and all the measurements on these pieces, the exact measurements are all on the website. So follow the link from YouTube to our website listing. Thanks for watching.